Hello, I checked the YouTube. I saw his new video for 2019 Chevy Equinox, how to remove the shifter knob. I make this video, maybe can help other people. Okay, we need just a pick and a magnet, and then first thing we need to take this little cover out, and then when very careful, go all around this cover, and then when you take this cover off, and then you have to release it from the bottom. This cover goes down. When the cover goes down, you can see, let me get a flashlight. Okay, you see has a little cover here. You release it very careful. You release this little chrome cover, goes down. Now you can see this pin here. That's, we need a magnet for that to doesn't goes down, to take it off. And with the pick you release this little pin here, and then now is everything comes off and has a already off to make a video faster. Okay, thank you, bye.